welcome back to math session. Today here we are going to learn uh, angles. Okay, first we will see how we define the angle. What is mean by angle? Okay, now what is mean by angle? The space between two intersecting lines or surfaces at or close to the point where they meet. Okay, what is the meaning of this? Now simple, the space between two intersecting lines. Now we already studied the two intersecting lines. Now see here, suppose I draw a one line. Okay, second I draw a second line. Now this point is an intersecting point because this line and this line, they are meeting at this point, intersecting at this point. Therefore these two lines are called what? Intersecting lines. Okay, and now the space between two, this space, now line between, suppose I given the name to this angle as angle ABC. How to read? Angle, this is a symbol, angle ABC, where the angle is formed at point B, that comes at the middle position. Okay, so this is the angle ABC, and the space between this portion, it is what? It is called an angle. Okay, now in this lecture we are going to study the types of angles. Okay, so actually if you are observed, near about 8 types of angles are there, but in today's lecture we will study only 4 types of angle. So first angle is what? That is the zero angle. What? Zero angle. What is mean by zero angle? Now we know that to measure an angle we are using the what? Protractor. This device is what? Protractor. Now how to measure? Suppose here is the angle ABC. Okay, now this is the what? Here angle is start to measure. This is a what? 0 degree is here. Okay, this is what? 0 degree, and opposite to that there is a 180 degree. If we start from 0, if we are here, the angle is goes on increasing, and here on this protractor we can measure an angle up to 180 degree. Okay, now so first zero angle. Zero angle means what? If I draw a like this, a simple one ray. Okay, so if you are observing, now suppose these two lines are there, actually this is one line. Okay, now I kept another line over here. So what is the angle form? If I kept now protractor at this position, if you are observing, because here if you are observing, if you measure the angle, it becomes what? Near about, it is a 37 degree. Yes, we start to measure from here 0, this angle is goes up to this point A, and here if you are observing, angle is 37 degree. Okay, it lies between 30 and 40. Here is the 37. But now in this case, if you are observing, the angle is what? Second line is overlapping on this line. Yes, here is the second line itself lies on this same line. If you are observing, this is what? It is 0. Simply it is a straight line. Angle made is what? It is a 0 degree. So how you define the 0 degree angle? Okay, the angle between the stick is what? Zero angle is what? When the angle between the sticks is called zero angle. Okay, and what is the value of zero angle? Yes, if we are measuring that, the measure of zero angle is 0 degree. We can given the symbol like this. Here is a what? It is a symbol of degree, and this is the what? Number or angle measure. It is what? 0 degree. Okay, now second type of angle is what? That is a acute angle. So first we write the definition, then I will explain. An angle greater than 0 degree greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Is called what? Acute angle. What is the meaning of this sentence? Because we know that, okay, actually we start to measure an angle from here, okay, 0 degree. Here if you are observing, here is the what? 90 degree. Now whenever the angle formed between the two intersecting lines is lies between 0 and 90 degree, means in between these, okay, then that angle is called what? Acute angle. Suppose randomly if I draw a one angle, suppose like this, okay, now what is the value of this angle? Now with the help of protractor we measure, okay, we kept this center point at the intersecting point, okay, we start measure from 0 degree here, so 0 and angle is what? Now if you are observing, it is 39 degree. It is what? 39. If I given again the name to this angle as angle ABC, so you have to write angle ABC is equal to 39 degree. So this value 39, it lies between 0 and 90. So this angle is called acute angle. So what is acute angle? An angle greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Where the 90 degree angle is formed? If I draw here the perpendicular line to the BC at this position, here is the angle 90 degree, but this angle is what? 39. So whenever if I given to this point name as a D, so whatever the angles, all the angles lies between BC and the BD, all these angles are the what? An acute angle. Okay, the next angle is what? Right angle. What is the right angle? The angle of 90 degree is called right angle, means angle formed between two intersecting lines is what? 90 degree. So we draw a 90 degree angle. So first we draw a first line, okay, and now the measure of an angle is what? How much it is degree? 90 degree. So we kept this at 90 degree, 0 degree, and here is the what? If you are observing, 90 degrees. So here is the point, okay, and we join these 2 points, okay, we given the name to the triangle given name to the angle as angle ABC, and here the angle between two line is form is 90 degree, and remember this is the symbol to represent an 90 degree angle. Okay, so it's very simple. Right angle, the angle of 90 degree is called right angle. So whenever the angle formed between the two intersecting line is 90 degree, that angle is called what? Right angle. Okay, next angle is called what? Obtuse angle. What is the obtuse angle? The angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Means suppose if I consider the value of angle, it lies between 90, here is the x indicates the angle, and in between 180 degree, okay, so that angle is called the what? Obtuse angle. Here I will draw an obtuse angle. Now see, if I draw a first line, okay, and now we know that we already here studied the 90 degree angle, okay, so here is the 90 degree, but your obtuse angle is greater than 90, means you have to draw on the left side of this. Suppose I draw a second line like this, okay, so again I given the name to the angle as angle ABC. Now if we measure this angle, okay, now see here, so angle is how much? From here the 0 we will start to measure, so from 0 angle is comes here, okay, it lies between 130 and 140, and the measure is what? It is 132, okay. So this angle is what? Angle ABC is 132 degree. If you are observing, 132 is lies between 90 and 180, greater than 90 and less than 180. So like this angle is called obtuse angle. But where the 180 angle is formed? Okay. Now if you are observing, again if I keep protractor at this place, okay. So here from 0, if we measure 0, then 10, 20, 30 up to come up to this, here is the 180 degree. If you are observing, here is what? 180 degree. So this, if I join these, it is becomes what? 180 degree. So this total angle is how much? 180 degree. Clear? Okay, so I hope all of you understood all these four types of angles. Zero angle, the value of angle is 0 degree. Second, acute angle, the measure of an angle is greater than 0 but less than 90 degree. Third, right angle, the measure of an angle is 90 degree. Obtuse angle, the angle measure having a value greater than 90 but less than 180. So all these angles are called. Okay, so here we studied these types of angle. Thank you.